Hello friends, today I am going to explain the problems of income tax. I am starting from short problems, so let's start doing it. So you can see what he is asking: calculate tax liability of the following person for the assessment year 2020 to 2021. So our first question is Sri Anand Swarup, age 51 years, reported his total annual income 4,21,100, taxable at a flat rate of 15%. Calculate tax liability. So we can see that our SSC Anand Swarup is non-senior citizen as his age is 51 years. Okay. And total income of SSC is also given, and at what rate we have to take out a flat rate is also given, that is 15%. So let's start solving it. Okay. So we know that our SSC is non-senior citizen. First step is calculating taxable income. Taxable income is nothing but at what income we have to take out the tax. Okay. So we are having total income as 4,25,100 and we have to less exempted income. What is exempted income? Exempted income is nothing but basic exemption limit. Okay, already explained in previous video what is basic exemption limit for non-senior citizen, for senior citizen, for super senior citizen. So as he is non-senior citizen, so we have to take exempted income as 2,50,000. After doing less, we will get the taxable income, that is 1,75,100. This is our taxable income, the income on which we can take out tax. Okay. Our second step is calculating income tax. How can we take out income tax? We are having two steps: flat rate or slab basis. As in this problem given flat rate, so we have to take out flat rate, and the percentage is also given, that is 15%. So what was our taxable income? Taxable income was 1,75,100. So we have to calculate 1,75,100 into 15%, that is our flat rate percent, and we will get 26,265 is our income tax, basic income tax. Okay. Now our third step comes, that is tax rebate. When we will calculate tax rebate, I already explained you. When a person is having lower income, that is less than 5 lakhs or equal to 5 lakhs, so he is having 4,25,100, so tax rebate is allowed here. So first of all, what we got basic income tax, we have to write, we got basic income tax as 26,265. So we have to subtract tax rebate, that is 12,500. So from where we got 12,500? It is already fixed in act of income tax, that is tax rebate should be 12,500 for every citizen. Okay, we have to subtract tax rebate from basic income tax, that is 12,500. After subtracting, we will get 13,765. Now for every amount, for every income, we have to add health and education cess at 4%. Okay, for every person, whether he's having lower income or he's having higher income, everyone has to add health and education cess at 4%. So what was the income? 13,765 was the income after tax rebate. So we have to add 4% on that. So 4% of 13,760 will be 550.6. Okay, so after adding it, we will get 14,315.6. As it is in decimal form, we cannot take tax at decimal form, so we have to make it round figure. So as it is 6 after point, so we can write it as 14,320 rupees. So this was the first problem of income tax, first chapter introduction. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you and please subscribe.